Thank you, Paul. An attorney for a woman who says she was raped by a Chattanooga police officer added 2 new names to a lawsuit. Former Assistant Chief Edwin McPherson and Captain Pedro Bacon are now named in the amended suit, accused of covering up rape allegations against former officer Desmond Logan. Channel 3's Jake Chapman joins us in the studio now with this developing story. Jake?
Well, Sydney, according to the new lawsuit, McPherson and Bacon had prior knowledge of Officer Logan's behavior, saying those two in the city of Chattanooga need to be held accountable for their actions.
McPherson and Bacon, who are now retired, were added to the lawsuit against the city of Chattanooga. They're accused of covering up illegal actions by former officer Desmond Logan. He's accused of raping a woman while on the job in June of 2018. In the amended lawsuit, the woman claims McPherson and Bacon had prior knowledge of Logan's behavior in another case similar to the 2018 incident as far back as 2015. And the two had email conversations with each other about how to cover up the accusations against Officer Logan. The documents also allege a 2016 incident in which Logan is accused of attempting to sexually assault a woman while working at UTC. The suit says he drew his taser and shocked the woman. According to the lawsuit, this wasn't the first time McPherson had been accused of tampering with evidence. A report from our partners at the Times Free Press is quoted in which McPherson was found to have intervened in a homicide investigation involving his niece back in 2012. When I reached out to McPherson for comment, he declined. A police department spokesperson told us they weren't aware of this suit involving 2 former officials. Therefore, they could not make a comment at this time. Channel 3 spoke with the plaintiff's attorneys, Chris and Dominic Smith. They say the city needs to be held accountable for former Officer Logan's actions.
The city of Chattanooga, who represents Logan, told Channel 3 they can't comment on the case developments, but will file suit in the near future. Stay with Channel 3 as we continue to follow this developing story. In the studio, Jake Chapman, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.